Okay, so now as we go into our 2.2.5 mouse release events, this is this can be paired up with that on mouse press events very similarly. Mr. Derek did go over this stuff on Monday, but I'll just kind of reiterate it so we can actually look at the checkpoint and get through the checkpoint so we can actually unlock the rest of this stuff. But here in this first part, you notice that it talks about the on mouse press and then it talks about the on mouse release. And the difference is, so when we first press our button, it gives us that X and Y value, and it actually puts that that gold circle down. As long as we're holding, we're not making that navy one happen yet, and the navy one doesn't happen until we actually release, and then it resets and gives you that new values of the X and Y, and it actually puts the navy circle down when we're done. So looking at this next chest point, it says, in the previous example, what happens if you press the mouse and immediately release it without moving it? Try this first before answering, right? So if we were to do that, if I was not to move the mouse at all and I released, we would end up basically doing the same thing that was happening in the previous part, where we were overlapping our red circle with a blue circle, right? So it says there's no way to tell if we've drawn one or two circles, which is not really true because we can always inspector it, right? We get two circles, a navy circle drawn directly over the gold circle. The code crashes, which is not true. We only get one circle. The gold circle becomes navy, which is not true. So we get two circles. A navy circle is drawn directly over the gold circle. Submit that, and we're good to go. So that will unlock the rest of this to where we can actually go on to these exercises here. What I'll end up doing is I noticed that this hasn't been reset yet, but we'll make sure that that gets reset to where you only have to get to score 2 points out of those exercises right there in the 2.2.6. Okay, so on to general shape properties. I will do the next video for 2.3.1 checkpoints so you can get through that.